Today we're in the home studio because we're doing a requested video from my cousin. Shout out Nate. He wanted me to go through a Questrade sign up process. Get started investing in making all of this paper while you sleep. So first things first, you're gonna log into Questrade. Don't mind that. Alright, so I already have a Questrade account, so instead of clicking open an account, which is where you should go if you don't have a Questrade account at all, which will take you to a whole sign-up process for putting in your name, your information, your email address, making a Questrade login. But since I already have one, I'm going to click login and use my credentials as they are. Alright, so now we're in the home screen. This will be your summary tab right here, and it'll tell you kind of everything that's going on with all of your accounts. As you can see, I already have a TFSA, and that has some information and it's filled in. But today we're going to open up an RRSP because that's an account I don't have. The steps are the exact same for all of these accounts, so you don't need to worry about that. If you're opening up a TFSA, then just click TFSA in this next section and you'll have to go through these exact same steps anyway. Now I'm in the account selection area. I can pick my new RRSP and click continue. It's now added to my new accounts and it's prompting me to set up the account. Click set up, and now I've got to answer these three sections. First things first is going to be account details. You're going to just fill this out with the answers that are relevant to you. Do I want to trade options? Not at this moment. If that's something that you want, then obviously you click yes. For me, I'm going to click no. What is the purpose of this account? To invest. It's going to be my retirement one and also personal use. And the initial deposit has to be $1,000. Nate, we already talked about this. As long as you have your $1,000 saved up, you're good to go. So I click 1,000, click done. Then it's consent and communication. Click start. And then I recommend you read all of these. Make sure that you actually are agreeing to everything that needs to be done. Let me take a quick look here. And I agree to that. So click done. So now you're on to persons with financial interest. I'm the only person who's going to be controlling this account, so I'm just going to click no. I don't need to add any other persons, and I understand and confirm that after setting up the account, I can add people by myself. So click that, and then you need to click some agreements. I recommend that you read through all of these agreements so that you actually know exactly what you're getting into. I have read all of these for my TFSA account, and I'm happy with them, so I'm just going to click accept. Yeah, this is quite a bit of reading that you're going to need to do. I've done this already, so I'm going to click accept. Click accept to that. Same thing here, accept those agreements, and I accept this agreement as well. Done. Alright, so I've done everything that needs to be done for the first part. Now I need to sign and submit my documents. This is going to be the document package. You just click e-sign, continue, give it a second, it'll open a DocuSign. Click I agree to electronic signatures. That's the only way you're going to be able to sign this document online. Click OK. It fills in your new account number right here. There's going to be more reading. I recommend that you read through everything yourself. In fact, you should always read anything that you're signing and agreeing to. So I'm just going to select style. Sure, we can just use this for now. Sign right there. This is common law. Then you can click finish. Still need to just upload my document, a government issued photo ID. I think I have that somewhere. Alright, so the document is successfully uploaded. The team is going to review it. Okay, so the next thing is to fund your account. So you're just going to click fund. I typically use the online banking as the way to do it. That way you can just set it up as like a bill. I use CIBC. I just set that up as a recurring bill payment. Just click online banking. You would just select the financial institution that you're going to be using. So what you would do on the CIBC side is you would click pay a bill. Then when it prompts you to check your payee, click Questrade Incorporated. When you start typing in who you're going to be paying the bill to, it'll show you with a list of accepted institutions already. Questrade's going to be one of them. And then all you have to do is make sure that you copy your account number and you put it onto there. And then you're good to go. And then you're ready to fund. And then you can click finish. So it says your process is completed. Congratulations, you've completed the funding wizard. Print, sign, and upload any additional documents needed so we can begin trading as soon as possible. You can also mail in directly to them using this address. When you go over to your summary of your accounts, you're going to have 3 accounts now. And maybe I'll do a follow-up video for when the account's actually funded, because you'll see slightly different things. You'll see here in your self-directed accounts that the individual RRSP is now added underneath there. It takes a couple business days in order for the funds to actually show up in your Questrade account. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. They make it super easy with the whole upload your government issued ID and all of this. As soon as it's up there, you're good to go and you're good to start trading. Again, it takes a couple business days for the money to actually show up, but as soon as the dollars show up, you're ready to start investing, picking your own stocks, picking your own options if that's what you decided. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you need me to break down any of the steps even further, just let me know. I'd be happy to do so. I'll see you in the next video.